Would you like to talk to your data? In this video, I will create an AI agent that will enable me to talk to my documents and specifically with project data so that I can ask which projects do I have so that I am able to be up to date with their statuses, which people are working on it, and so that I know where we are at. If this sounds interesting, check out the video. Let's go to Pinecone and create a new index. uh, Tickets, give it a name, test n8n for my case, and select the text embedding small embedding model. Anything else can be left as it is. Click create index. All right, we have this index. So far it's empty. Both the records and namespaces are empty. Now I'll set up a tool for uploading files to the Pinecone vector database so that they can be indexed and the vectors will be assigned to the documents that I will be uploading, the information, the documents that I will be uploading. And those vectors will decide which kind of information will be placed near each other. And when we ask for information back, that's how the AI agent will know where to look for that information. That's why we are using vector databases and not relational databases, which should be way more clear, what you're looking for. All right, so we will start from just a simple manual trigger this time, and we will trigger that ourselves. Now we need to connect Google Drive, and we will download a file. Same credentials as always. Resources a file, operation is download, and from the list we will download projects. And we have binary data, which means that we have the file itself and not its data or metadata. We have the file downloaded. Now we'll use Pinecone vector store, and we will add documents to the vector store. For credentials, I have my own, but we can create new credentials, and we are asked for an API key. You can go to Pinecone, API keys, and create a new one. So let's create a new one. Create key, copy, go back to n8n, paste it, save, and it's green, which means that it's good to go. Now, while using this, we can select the index, and this test n8n is the one that I just created. And also, I would like to add Pinecone namespace, and for this will be projects. We'll need to add embeddings. I'll use OpenAI's embeddings as I already selected the text embedding small in Pinecone. So it's the same that we are using out here. And we'll use default data loader. Just make sure to change this JSON into binary because we will be sending a file and not data about the file. And all of this can remain the same. We just will need to add a text splitter. And I like using recursive character text splitter because it's getting relevant information next to each other. And the chunk size can remain 1000. Chunk overlap we don't need. And that's it. We can actually run this, test the step. And from this file, we have already it uploaded to Pinecone. If we go back to our indexes and go to our test n8n index, we can see that we have files, records, and we have a namespace called projects with 6 records. All right, that's it for the upload. We can save this and use whenever we want. We could add another file to Google Drives, to our Google Drive, and upload that to the vector store so that it's more easily dissectable. to the agent that we will build right now. Now, for talk to project data agent, we will use chat message trigger. We will talk to it, and I will add an AI agent, which will take its info from the chat input, and I'll add the system message, which is this long one. So background and context purpose. This AI agent is designed to assist users by answering questions using relevant tools and memory components. It integrates chat model window buffer memory and vector store tool to provide accurate and context-aware responses. Here are the components and instructions for the model to use. We need to add more nodes to this. So chat model will be OpenAI chat model. We'll use 4.1. The memory can be just a simple memory for now. I'll select a bigger context window and leave everything the same. And for the tool, I will select vector store question answer tool. Data name will be projects. And the description will be call this tool to access information for the user's questions. I'll keep the limit at 4. Now for the store, I will use Pinecone vector store. It's the same credentials. I will select the correct index, and the namespace will be projects. It will be the exact same where we stored, which we used when we were storing the project in the index. And again, for embeddings, we will use OpenAI's pretty small. And to power all of this, I'll use OpenAI chat model and 4.1. Cool. All is set up. Let's save this and let's chat with our data. So if I ask describe our current projects, summarize them for me, the tool is thinking, it's going through the database, it's thinking about the answer, and it's giving me one back. All right, so we have Sand Health app, a mobile app on track with improvements, so on and so forth. Which projects are the most behind? The most behind projects right now are Nova Eats food delivery, Trade Track inventory system, and Medlink telehealth. Could you send me the list of people I could contact to offer my help on these late projects? And since it has memory of previous tasks and previous messages, I can ask questions and it has context. So here are the contexts for these projects. Now it's Gabriel McKay, Trade Track inventory system, a few folks, and for Medlink again, Gabriel McKay. You can reach to these individuals to offer your help on these delayed projects. Okay, cool. So as you can see, we created a way for us to upload the documents into vector database and also to retrieve them. And in the meantime, we were able to create an AI agent, enabling us to talk to that data. Of course, this can be improved a lot. You can add a lot more documents to your database and try talking to them. Experiments are king out here. So experiment with prompts, experiment with the types of documents that you have in there, and just see where this takes you. See you around next time. If you found this useful, click that like button, drop a comment if you want to learn more, and subscribe for more tips on no code and AI.